When you are practicing this exercise of looking and visualizing a set of colored counters, it is important to note your mood. Am I becoming irritated? Am I hurrying? Am I rushing? Is my attention flagging? Am I yawning? Am I being distracted? Pay attention to how you are feeling and any thoughts that may be rushing through your brain. When we say pay attention to those thoughts, note them as in, you may think of the birthday present you used to buy a friend, or the new boss who's coming to your office. But don't pay them any deep attention. Always bring your mind back to the task in hand, which is to look at these counters and to close your eyes and to see what you can see. Bringing the mind back calmly. Don't fret, don't get irritated with yourself, don't get angry. Don't say, oh, I must not do this. The more you tell yourself not to do a thing, you'll find you'll end up doing it. Just bring your mind back to the task in hand. Always remember that those of you who happen to be listening to this workshop online, that all these workshops are recorded live, unscripted and unedited.